Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you already control, the iPad itself and the Apple ID contact info. Tap Settings, then your name. If signed out, choose Sign In and then forgot Apple ID or password. Enter the Apple ID email or phone. The system will check linked devices. Once done, look for a prompt to reset via passcode, trusted phone, or recovery key. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the iPad stays awake while Apple verifies your details. You'll now pick the most secure path shown. Use a trusted device, receive a text to a trusted number, or supply your recovery key. If a code arrives on another Apple device, type it on the iPad. If you have a recovery key, enter it exactly. This restores access without secondary devices. Once the code or key is accepted, create a new, strong password and confirm it. Make sure the new password is unique and saved in your password manager for future use. Finish by signing into iCloud, re-enable Find My, and let Keychain sync if you want saved passwords restored. If the immediate reset paths fail, start account recovery. Apple gives a recovery wait time and instructions. You'll get status updates. Make sure to troubleshoot quickly. Verify Apple ID spelling, try another Wi-Fi network or cellular data, and restart the iPad. If you're stuck, prepare photo ID and device serial number. For support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.